1, 2, 3. Very good. Wonderful job. Welcome to Marcelo's Real World, the channel where smart kids can learn English. Remember to subscribe to watch more videos. What are we going to do today, Marcelo? Yes, we're going to do some activities about gold. You want to start? Yes, we need cotton. Yes, we need cotton because we're going to decorate that ghost over there behind you. Oh, I'm so scared. Are you scared, Marcelo? No? Whoa, what's that?
Hey, what happened?
What's that, Marcelo? Look, trick or treat. You have some cotton there and you have to paste. You have to paste inside the ghost. Yes, go. You can throw if you want. Throw if you want. All the cotton. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow.
Wow, that's cool.
Very good, Marcelo. Wonderful
Look, they're
job.
sticky.
1, 2, 3. Wow. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
No, one by one.
Yes, you separate the cottons. No, the cottons are colored white. Uh-oh. It's not inside the ghost. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Wonderful job.
Two.
Very good,
You almost hit his
Marcelo.
eye.
Good job.
Another one.
1 more. 2 more.
Oh, no, you have to hit inside the ghost, Marcelo. Yeah.
Now, I have another game. Wow, Marcelo, look. Whoa, look. We have, what is this? Whoa, what is this? Glass. A rubber. Glove. Straw. Careful.
Another one shine on your face.
Marker. No, be careful with your face. Be careful with your face. Ooh. Tape. And look, first we're going to draw here 2 eyes. 2 eyes. 1, 2 eyes, and a mouth. Look. Ready? 1 more here. 1 eye, 2 eyes, and the mouth. And Marcelo's gonna color. Here, color inside. Color inside. Color inside like this. Like this. Color inside. More. Color inside. The ghost eyes. More. Look like mommy. Look.
You have to feel it with black, Marcelo.
Look like mommy. Like this. Look. Like this.
Yeah.
Good. And the mouth. Very good. Now. Good job, Marcelo. That's Marcelo's ghost and mommy's ghost. Yes. Your hands. And look, we're going to put... Ooh, I'm so scared. Now we're going to put, look, a straw here inside. Inside a small hole. Yes, inside a small hole. Help me, Marcelo. Look, my ghost is sleeping, Marcelo. Look, mommy's ghost is sleeping. And look what happened.
Look, fill it with air. Wow.
Wow, Marcelo's ghost is awake. Now it's gonna sleep again. It's gonna sleep again. Now 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
How cool is that?
Boo!
You got boo.
Boo! Okay, now we have another activity. Wow, Marcelo, what do you have to do?
What is that?
Yes, you have to match the ghost with the shadow. That doesn't go there. No. No.
Use the other one, Marcelo.
Trying another one.
You got 4 of them. Oh.
second one.
Okay. Which one be? Yay!
Good job. Two more.
Very good. Oh.
Yay! Yay! Very good, Marcelo. Now we're going to paint, okay? We're going to paint. So, we need white paint, and we're going to paint the ghost here. Ooh. Ooh.
Want to paint the ghost,
Here,
Marcelo?
take it. Whoop, 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 whoop. Here, you have this magic paintbrush.
Wow, that's a big paintbrush.
Look, and you have this one too.
Oh, you can use two.
Very good. There goes. Ooh.
Do you like it, Marcelo?
Wonderful.
Yeah, it's nice. That's an excellent painting. You have to go to the other side.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Good job, Marcelo. Color white.
You're so smart. Look, and you're filling the blanks. Yep.
What color is the ghost, Marcelo? White?
Yes.
Yes. And how many ghosts do you have there?
White.
Yeah, you have 4 white ghosts. And how many do you have there? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 ghosts. Very good, Marcelo. Good job. Are you done?
Yes.
Yes?